beloved in the Lord. My name is Emily. Thank you so much for tuning into yet another prophetic word. May the Almighty God bless you and keep you safe, sound, and protected. This one is laughing at you for starting up your purpose. The Lord said, let them wait and see. Okay. Lord, we thank you, omnipotent God. You are awesome. You are awesome. Hallelujah. So you took up your purpose. Is it that business, that job, that career? And you just started it. And they have been like looking at you and mocking at you and laughing at you that you're going crazy, that you're not going to succeed. Like they're trying to underestimate what you can do, trying to estimate how far you can go. They feel that some of them feel that because they are way ahead of you, you cannot arrive at their position. Some of them feel as though you're going to crumble. Some of them feel like you are not meant to do that because you're just starting up. The Lord is saying that, please let that don't worry you. Some of you who just started doing something, and it seemed like it's not going to move forward, or it seemed like people are like kind of underestimating you. The Lord is saying that, please hold it because it's about to bless it. It's blessing that thing that you are starting right now. Some of you are starting a lot right now. The Lord is saying that He's going to bless it. Is it a project that just started and they're laughing at you and thinking that you don't have the resources that you need for that project? The Lord is saying that, please despise not the little beginnings. Zechariah 4:10. For who have despised the days of small things, but these 7 will be glad when they see the plumb lying in the hand of Zerubbabel. These are the eyes of the Lord, which ranged to and fro throughout the earth. So do not despise. The Lord is with you. His eyes are upon you in whatever you have started. Okay. He said in His word that He's going to accomplish that which He has started in your life. Okay? For the good work that He has started in your life, He's going to carry it to the end. Please don't give up. Forget about the mockery, the laughter, whatever thing that they are trying at you because you decided to start up something. You will start up little, but you shall be happy. Okay? Stick to it. The Lord said they are literally laughing at you. That, are you sure you're going to push through with that? It's like you're not qualified. The Lord has qualified you, beloved. Please stick to it. Despise not the days of little beginning. The Lord has qualified you at a time such as this. Do not give up on anything. Okay? Keep going. God bless you. His heart is with you, encouraging you right now. That is blessing that which you have started. Alright, it's going to order your footsteps all the way. See you in the next video. I have been Emily. Faith is our vehicle and love is our strength. It's a new dawn.